Alright, we got some Otis elevators here at the, I don't know what this garage is called, but it's a garage in Waukegan. Looks like we got some 211s here. Series 2, or Series 4, whatever you want to call it. Here's a view of Waukegan at night. Downtown Waukegan there. It smells kind of like pizza up here. Just some plain parking garage elevators. To be fair, these are 4 parking garage elevators. These are in pretty good shape. Capacity's 2,500 pounds. All right, and that will be it.